Hi everyone, welcome back to Highlights at Home. The holidays are upon us, and while many parts of our holiday celebrations might not be possible this year, we have the unique opportunity to invent new holiday traditions that can help create family memories for years to come. I'm Christy, I'm an editor at Highlights, and we'd all like to say happy holidays to you and your family. And that is the theme of this week's collection of free digital activities. Now keep in mind that traditions don't have to be elaborate or expensive, and don't be afraid to embrace spontaneity. Some of the best traditions come about on accident. Kids will benefit from even the simplest rituals done together as a family. Traditions help craft a family identity and strengthen family bonds, creating a greater sense of belonging. They bring the family together around something that's important to them. Kids also gain comfort and security from family traditions. Kids love routine and consistency, so even as everything changes in their world, they have something constant to look forward to year after year. Traditions also create really strong family memories and stories to tell again and again. And those memories will be more lasting and more meaningful than any other gifts that we receive. We hope our holiday content might inspire a new tradition for your family. This year, my family is going to try out a virtual gingerbread house decorating competition, something we've never done before, but I think it might stick around. Whatever traditions you decide to start and continue this year, we hope that it is a wonderful holiday season full of love, laughter, and special memories. Happy holidays from all of us at Highlights. We'll be back soon with more digital activities. Take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.